Ameba a kiama kia Nati aria megwikinyitie wabici-ini cia Nati mekorire makiguthurana na borithi thutha wao kugirio gutabania mucemanio wa mwanya uria marabangite wa kuruturura mwandiki wa kiama kiao Wilson Sossion. Borithi macungiriirio kuhuthira ndogo ya kuruta maithori o hamwe na kurathukia rithathi riera-ini kuharagania mucemanio ucio.
NEC is the highest body, the supreme body, which is supposed to make decisions for this organization. If the NEC are not allowed to make any decision, there must be a miss.
Mahinyiriirie Sossion no oragiria mathikiririo ni mwandiki wa TSC kuona Sossion ndari marua ma kumwitikiria akorwo ari mwarimu.
Now the problem that you are seeing here is because of our Secretary General, whom we love so much and who is supposed to represent us in Parliament, and the fight for the teachers' rights in Parliament has refused it totally. And the TSC also has become adamant it cannot talk to him because it's a stranger, the number was deregistered.
Watho ugete mwandiki munene no nginyagia akorwo na license ya urutani. Mamucukeire gutongoria na titambogo ya ndwiki na gutua matua atekuria woni wa ameba na kiu maroiga nikio kiambiriria kia mathina mothe ma Nati. No Sossion ehandite kuga ndekwehera wabici na ni arutite ndumiriri igie kigomano kia 62 kiria gigakorwo kaunti-ini ya Kakamega, kigomano-ini kiria ugete no kio kingihuthika kumuruturura wabici. Grifotra Inoro TV, Jitagwo Gathoni, Wajihia.